Hi everyone. I am Alyssa. It seems Christine enjoying her bath.
Leave it all up.
So I will be your host for today. With no further ado, let's get started. Since this is our first video, we will be doing the most basic design we can do in Clockology. Click the plus sign located at the upper right corner to create a new clock. Choose the default. Then, click Create. Click the plus button. Then, choose Color Shape. Click the arrow button to edit the color shape we added. Choose the color you want as your base color. In this project, we choose the blue. Tap the back arrow to go back in main page. Let's add another layer. This time, we choose gradient texture. Let's edit the gradient layer we added. Tap direction, and choose radial. Set the start color with blue, end color with white, and opacity with 0.70. Then, tap the back arrow. The next thing we will add is the shape ring. Choose thin box for the type and 0.2 for the size. Then, choose the color you want. In case the color you want is not showing, tap the plus button and choose the color from the palette. Set the count and pattern. We will duplicate a layer by long pressing the layer we want. Let us now edit the duplicate layer we made. Set the size to 0.1, color white. Count 24 and size 0.80. The next layer we will make is the number ring. Set it to font, modern integer, count 4, color pink, and size 0.60. Let us make another layer. Choose Custom Text Label. Tap Custom Text. Open the icons from your keyboard. Choose the icon you want to use. Set the size and the position of the icon you made. Repeat until you have 4 custom text label. Now, time to put some health data. Choose Health Kit label. Set the font, format, color, scale and position of the heart rate we are setting. Create another Health Kit label. This time is for long step count. And another one for distance walk or run. Let us put some battery. Set the type, font, color, scale, and position. This time we add a new layer for icons. Create an icon layer for heart rate, steps, distance and battery. Instead of icon layer, you can also use keyboard icons by creating a custom text layer. Time to put some hands. Add a layer for hour and set the type, color, outline color and width. Do the same for minute and seconds. I hope you enjoy doing your first watch face. Please do not forget to subscribe and click the notification for more videos like this.